The price of Ethereum is exploding, and if you're interested in finding out the next levels, make sure to watch this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here, and welcome to an Ethereum analysis. Now, in our last video, I mentioned that we were looking pretty bullish, hovering over the 1526 level. At this point, we found support multiple times at this level. You guys can see multiple wicks coming down, and I mentioned that we could be looking to test the 1658 level. Now, it looks like Ethereum has found support on the exponential moving averages, which you guys know is very bullish, and it looks like we had a test of the highs at 1640. Now, speaking on this, you can see that we were rejected off the exponential moving average of the 50 and on the 4 hour, which technically could be a reversal pattern. We could fall back down, but if somehow Ethereum can find to stay above the 50 exponential moving average, we could be looking at a massive wick to the upside to around the $1,700 level. I understand that you guys are probably thinking, okay, well, what happens when we hit the 1658 level of this resistance? There are two possible situations that can happen. Number one, Ethereum can go test this level of 1658 and then reject back down. Number two is we look at the previous wicks over here and we can kind of have an idea of where the highs would be. The previous wick over here is around the 1708 level. Looking at Ethereum, we could be looking past to break above the 1708 level and then reject back down or continue higher. In my opinion, what I think would happen is Ethereum will definitely retest this level of 1658, and we could possibly see a few wicks to the upside. Now, I would be more interested in seeing if whether or not Ethereum can break above this resistance, find support on this resistance level, and then continue higher. That is a bullish situation. There are a lot of times where Ethereum will break above. So let me give you guys an example here. Over here, you can see that Ethereum did break above this resistance level at 1658. We found support. We retested the highs at 1720, but then we were rejected right back down. So that situation can definitely happen once again. We could be retesting the highs once more, find support, and hopefully we can hold support. If not, we will be tumbling back down to the lows of the 1500s. Now, looking at the 1 hour time frame on the lower time frames, we can see that Ethereum is looking extremely bullish. We have had a massive move and a somewhat of a double top formation now on these wicks over here, but this is just a safe retracement back down. I would imagine we would retest the exponential at 1600 and then continue higher. Now, obviously, this was an extremely large move from $1,581 all the way up to 1645. This was an insane move. So reality is there are probably people taking profits and will probably be re-entering around the lower levels to hopefully hit that resistance level of 1658. Now, with that being said, there is quite a bit of a bullish and a bearish situation pretty much on the lower time frames. Now, what I did mention to you guys is, again, with the 1658 level being retested, we can see over here, we had somewhat of the same pattern, right? Market tested this 1575, broke above, had multiple wicks to the 1666, but rejected. So if you're looking for an entry or for a long position and you missed out your entry, I would be looking around the $1,600 level. So around this level would be your bullish case scenario where you would enter a trade and then hope to hit that target of the resistance up there. Now, guys, thank you so much for watching. Just a quick little update, and make sure you guys subscribe. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day.